Hello friends, we are here now in this beautiful campground, very white campground. Uh, I forgot the name of this campground, but we are here in the middle of the forest. It's a forest uh, uh, campground. And we park our van down there. See, look at that. We stayed here for one night. And we're moving again soon. We just want to come and have a look the surroundings of this campsite. It's very beautiful. My God, cannot believe. See, we have those things. Camping shades. There's still few campers around. They have that toilet. Let's see what name is this not there, the name. Hello, good morning.
Pay someone else to do it. Yeah, me too. I fucking learn how to do it. So, well, I can do my plumbing, but I can't. I haven't tried that. Yeah. Now, this is a dual battery monitor.
There's a creek here, so you can swim here too, or you can bath. Every time we go camping, we always go with some creek so that you can wash if it needs to. It's beautiful. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe there are so many crabs down there. Okay. Thank you, friends.
Yeah, the only thing